center. Tapos, half. And lang natin siya.
Smoky meat. Ito is galing from here. Kasi kahapon, umuwi yung husband ko galing sa California. Binigay ito ng friend niya. Sila mismo gumawa nito. As you can see. So, ito yung ingredients. Yung kamatis, cabbage, yung string beans natin, at saka ito yung onions, mung bean sprouts. So, yan siya. At saka yung pinaka-importante recipe natin is the meat. Smoky meat. And we have carrots. And then garlic. And ginger. Yan lahat ng ingredients. So magluluto na tayo. Let's go! Start cooking! Papainitin na natin guys ang kawali. And then ilagay na natin itong smoky meat na hiniwa natin. Hintayin lang natin siya na lumabas yung mga oils, yung fats niya. Keep mixing lang natin yun siya. So yan, lumalabas na yung oil niya. Tingnan niyo guys, sobrang daming oil. Mga half cup ata ang oil nito eh. Sobrang dami talaga. So yan, so yung karne natin guys, ready na siyang i-transfer. Yan. Tumitigas na siya. Parang nag-brownish na. And make it fast. Yan, nag-brownish. Lagay lang natin siya dito. Pinatay ko na yung apoy para hindi siya masunog.
So, yan siya. Hinangon na natin. Yung oil, ayaw ko siyang itapon. Lagay ko lang siya dito. Yan. Tingnan nyo guys, ang daming oil. Mga 1 cup ata yung oil na yan eh. Or almost 1 cup. So, yan siya.
Of course, balik natin yung meat. Yan, crunchy na siya. Crunchy, crunchy. Next, lagay natin is onions, garlic, and yung ginger. So yan, malambot na ang onion. Next, lagay natin is carrot. And then, isasalang na natin yung ibang ingredients. Next na isunod ko is ang tomato para lalabas yung juice niya at nag-limit siya dyan. After that, ilagay na natin yung string beans. Yan, halo-halo lang. Halo ng halo. Yan. Takpan lang natin siya. And wait for another 1 minute. So yan guys, after 1 minute, lagay na natin ang mung bean sprouts. At saka celery. Ang dami natin ingredients. Siya ulit. Last ingredients natin guys is ang cabbage. Yan yung cabbage natin. Ito lang natin siya halo-halo. Until mag-combine lahat ng ingredients. First, I put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And then 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Kasi I like it to put vinegar. So, para ano siya. And then just a few drops of salt. Yan siya. A little bit salt. And then this one, complete seasoning. I put a little bit, few drops on there, here and there. Ayan. It's up to you guys. And then last but not the least is yung chicken powder. Lagyan na natin siya ng konti. About half teaspoon of chicken powder. Mix lang natin siya para mag-combine lahat. Smells good. You're gonna eat it more because it's very healthy. So, yan. So, pwede na siya. Luto na siya, guys. Pwede na natin turn off yung fire. Kasi luto na. Food is ready. Kain na! Mangaon na! Yan. Kakain na kami, guys. Yan si Rosemary din. Kumain na, Moshi. You got your... Oh, si Moses. Ganahan si Moses vinegar and soy sauce. So, yan. Meron pa kaming natirang pagkain from lunch. Ito. At saka ito. Yan yung... Ito yung kagabi natira. Yan yung ampalaya with egg. Tapos yung crabs, tofu, at saka broccoli. Ito yung niluto ko today. Para sa hapunan. So, yan. Kain na! Junior! Let's go! Si Moses. Moshi, eat it so you grow bigger. And healthy, stronger. Hey, yes, si Rosemary. You like si Rosemary. Ganahan siya kaon og vegetables. Yan. May meat at vegetable and tofu and rice and egg. So yummy! Yan. Si Rosemary. Yum! Yan. Hindi mawawala ang juice na binili ko kahapon. So, I bought this juice kahapon. Is pineapple and mango from Tropicana. We love Tropicana brand. So, yan. Hindi yan sponsored, guys, ha? We just love Tropicana brand. Okay, you like machine? Good. You get some more rice? Kunti lang yung rice namin. Ito yung bahaw kagabi. So, iniinit ko lang yan. One of my favorite, ampalaya with egg. Kain tayo, guys. Samahan nyo kami kumain. Okay, promise, Moshi? What's the promise? We have no more juice? No, it's okay. We still have the big orange juice. I'm gonna go get it. Yan, ubos na yung juice namin. So, good thing may bago akong Tropicana juice. 1 gallon yan siya. Binili ko kahapon. So, David is here.
Hi!
Wow, good job! Tapos na kumain. Nag-play si David. Where you play, David?
I'm playing race car!
Okay, good job.
I'm a race car!
A race car. Good job. Wow, my little artist. Pianist.
You ate my car!
Good job. Okay.
Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye!
Bye. David. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys. We love you.
See you
Bye.
later.
See you later.
Happy Jump Sale! Baby, look!
You watch Masha and the Bear?